Oh, the boys from Wang know this one. The Turtle Man. How's the traps on him? Oh! Yeah, you need to fix that, mate.
Yeah, that's what we're getting into today. We diagnosed him as being a turtle, and we're going to have to turn him back into a human.
Get into my shell,
Get into
please.
the shoulders. So what we're getting into today is the traps, the rhomboids, but we're thinking about deeper. You've got all these erector muscles, so spinalis, longissimus, iliocostalis, which fan up and attach onto the rib cage here in different positions. And on a lot of people, they can get really locked, all right? So it's going to be a pretty deep treatment today. Das is going to cop it, but he's ready. Yeah. He's willing to go through it.
Yep.
And we're going to hook in, Das? So
Let's do it, brother.
Let's go. So slowly going to sink into here.
Nothing slow about that.
Nothing sinking here. So hooking there, right in there. Plenty
Far
of that.
out, man. Oh,
Good,
shit.
Okay, so that's his limit there. We're just going to let him breathe a little bit. So big deep breath in. And then all the way out, man. Nice. Few more. Big deep breath in. And then out. And then we're going to take it down. Good, man. Whoa. Take him to his next limit there. There's a good one. Big deep breath in, Das. And let it all go, bro. Good, man. Keep breathing. Good. And breathe out, man. Nice. You're doing really well. We're getting through it.
Like
30 seconds, Das.
Good.
30 seconds to go.
He's doing good.
Yeah,
so
man. Feels awesome.
Right on longissimus there, I reckon, man. So good. Keep going. That's it. We just flicked off something then.
No. Nah, feels really good, man.
That's it. Nice, man. So just going to slowly take it down into our lower back money spot. And we'll just hook in here a little bit.
Yep.
So just park in there.
Oh,
see what he's got. Big deep breath in again, Das. Big deep breath. Good. And let it go, man. Nice. And I'll slowly sink out of that now.
Wow.
Okay, we're going to reload. Go a little bit inside of that. We went kind of just in the midsection of that. Yeah. So, but remember, we're not thinking about traps and rhomboids. We're thinking deeper. So we can go through the mid belly because we're trying to get to the rib cage attachment. So this time I'm going to go a little bit more medial, which means closer to the spine. So we'll hook in here. So sinking in, even though it probably doesn't feel as much of a sink in as our usual work. So just trying to find these spots on Das. There's a bit there already. Good, man. Good. That's it, just trying to nestle into something there. Taking his breath away a bit there. So I feel like that's a good bit. Let's breathe in there, Das. Breathe in. And let it out, man. Nice. There we go. There's a good bit right there. I can feel a nugget. Good boy, man. You're killing it, bro. Yeah, we got through it, man. Nice, mate. Slowly taking it down. The erector's now trying to take some tone out of these muscles. Just sharpen my pressure as I slowly come down into that money spot again.
Much more pleasant down the lower part.
Yeah, it's a bit nicer, isn't it, bro?
It's
still brutal in there, though. Still hooking in.
Nervy hip pain. Feels great.
Good, bro. He's done good there.
Yeah, that's incredible.
Very good. So we're going to go even more laterally now. So you've got spinalis, longissimus, iliocostalis. Yeah. So we'll try the lateral line.
So what are these muscles, man, like for the viewers? What do they do?
So they're a part of the lumbar erector complex, I guess. So they extend our spine. So extension, Jace, you show extension for us, bro? So, yeah, that's it. And they do also do a little bit of rotation and a bit of lateral flexion as well. But primarily, they're extensors. So, yeah, we're trying to improve our ability to, I guess, just move our spine everywhere, but particularly flexion. So if you bend over and touch your toes and you notice some flat spots in your spine that don't actually open up,
That's
Yeah,
me.
this
definitely.
could be an area that you want to get treated and ironed out.
Oh, we should have done that first.
Should have showed Darcy's,
Should've.
yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, there's heaps of just real dirty nuggets around here, Darcy.
Oh, get those dirty
For
nuggets
lack-
out.
For lack of a better term.
Ah, far out. Ah.
That's it, man. Come on, breathe, 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 breathe. Get through it, man. Get through it, get through it. Good man, good man, good man. Doing good, mate. Doing good. Nice. Nice. Taking it down, taking it down. Oh, that's good, man. Good man, good man. Keep breathing, Dust. Keep breathing. Oh, trying to stay on the outside of these erectors.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, oh, yep, money spots. Oh, I think you just breathed on my ass crack at that.
So yeah, Dust, you
was
can
a
see
highlight.
he's got a lot of bulk in these erectors, so we're trying to take out a lot of that there, which is good. Which line do you feel like had the most in it, Dust? What was
I
the
think-
one?
I think that last one, but to be yeah,
He's lost
Honest,
for
I've lost for
words.
words. To be honest, they all.
they all were important. They all had.
They all had
spots.
plenty of curry in it. All right. So we'll do one more, and we'll just do a bit of an interpretive one here, wherever we feel like we want to chase down.
Yep.
I can go more at this.
Get into him more, you reckon, Jace?
Oh,
Found a nugget here. We're just working through. Keep breathing there, Das. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Well, I guess it's our normal stuff, but yeah, just the intention of working deeper into the erectors rather than just the traps and the rhomboids. I reckon is what this stuff's all about. You know.
and the attachments we have onto the
Onto the rib cage, yeah. So not just the superficial stuff you see on anatomy charts. You got to look at the erector complexes. Good there,
Oh,
Das.
good. Oh,
Nice, bro. Nice.
oh, oh, yep.
It's going to sharpen
Yeah.
my pressure here a little bit. So I'm right on the inside of that erector complex. Oh, and then just going to take it down. So definitely a bit of a faster treatment than we normally do, but sometimes you got to just go a little bit silly on the body just to take the tone out of these really tight spots and these tendons that attach, because that's why these areas in the spine become really flat, because it's just clamped and you've got to go in there and you've got to do something about it. So let's see if I
Already
can
that's starting to feel so different.
starting to feel a little bit better. So we're going to do some thumb work now, try and see if we can find
Oh, yep.
where these spots are on DAR. So I'm doing a double thumb him here.
Oh, yeah.
So there's a bit of a broader coverage even though it's sharp, and we're just going to start to work some angles.
Oh, jeez Louise.
There's heaps in there.
Crikey.
Right? Yeah, so just hooking obviously into that medial border of the scap, but I'm pushing more down because I can feel like there's all these really thick tendons that are attaching to the rib cage. And flicking over a few there. Come back, sink in a little bit more, and then just flick over again.
Crikey Moses. Oh.
There it is, yeah, so that's a good one. I found a ripper that we can go back and do some work on. So try and flick back over it there. There it is. That's it, there it is, another one there. That's good.
Get it out.
Get it out. Just spat on you there, Das.
Oh, thanks.
That's all right.
Bit of lube.
Athlete life.
Athlete. Athlete things. Oh.
Shout out to our good man Leombe,
Oh.
the fittest guy at MMT.
Oh.
Oh, Das, there it is, bro. Another one, man. Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one.
Oh, I'm sweaty.
Palms are sweaty.
Knee greaves, arms are heavy.
Palms are heavy.
That's good stuff, Das. Very good.
Wow.
All right, we've got one more Hail Mary in us, I reckon, Das. What do you
Throw
reckon,
one.
Jace?
Yeah, whatever you got.
Just throw a deep ball, hard as we can in there. What do you reckon? What are you thinking? A bit of a different
I
playbook,
reckon
eh?
you've got him. I reckon there's something in
Oh.
for Das. Like,
You reckon Das has got-
I reckon you got a thumb in that.
Yeah,
like,
okay.
There's a little nugget.
We'll go a little bit more to that iliocostalis
Yeah, I
line.
reckon that's where Das has a lot of stuff.
Oh!
Oh, just a
Right in
finger.
there. the
Oh.
fingers in there. Good, breathe,
Takes
man,
your
breathe.
breath away, man.
Breathe, breathe, breathe,
All right,
breathe.
just hold on.
That's it, man. Good. Trying to figure out which one it is. There.
Oh,
That's it there, man. Keep breathing, man. Breathe deep breath in and let it all go. Good. And again. And let it all go, man. Nice, bro. Okay, one more Hail Mary here, Leo. This thing's on!
Which one?
Yeah, we're going to go the right one, mate. Here we go.
Oh.
Last one, Darcy,
Yeah, we can do
to
it.
rule them all. We got this, man. Corkscrew this fucker, eh?
Just do it.
Decanter this motherfucker.
Get it out of here.
Get it out of me! We need a priest and some garlic.
Get this shit out of me, boy.
Come on, Das.
Oh, that's good.
It's good with an S.
Ay.
Oh,
Mummy.
Mummy.
Oh.
That's that fucker in there.
Oh, you bastard. Oh, it feels good. Oh.
I reckon Dennis might make it appearance here.
Oh, you fucking woken up someone in here. Oh, yeah, it's peeling me.
You're peeling me back.
Peel back my layers. I'm vulnerable.
He's an onion.
I'm an onion.
All right, and then we're going to finish off with just hooking into there.
Oh, that's incredible. Oh, I love that.
Love that, eh?
Oh,
And the
like
one of
me
the-
mum
one of the
shepherd
layers is
pie.
Irish.
Oh.
Okay, so there you have it, guys. So, yeah, just to show you, we probably should have shown you bones first. So, you get all these lumbar erectors which come up and they kind of fan up the spine and then attach to different layers on the rib cage here. So what we've been doing is just getting our elbow and then just trying to free up all these tenderness attachment points onto the rib cage here, which is going to allow our rib cage to expand and open like that instead of being compressed and extended like a lot of people are, okay? So this stuff can give you pain in your shoulder blade, pinching when you're breathing, can restrict your neck, and even cause back pain as well because you have issues with not being able to move your thoracic spine. So if that's you, if you feel like you want this kind of deep work, really challenging stuff, our practitioners can do that for you. So the boys are trying to figure out a way to try and find the...
Trying to learn myself something
We
here.
should have bloody had this prepared. Oh, I think it's late. Nah. Oh, jeez. This might have to be edited.
Something I prepared earlier.
Fucking that'd be too organised, wouldn't it, Jace?
Where are the erectors?
Where are they?
Lats.
I mean, I can see a back.
Yeah.
Fuck, maybe no. We've got the. I think because we've got the shoulder. Oh, sorry, Leo. We're making some editing for you. There's some boobies,
Leave this
Dance.
bit out, I reckon.
Can you bookmark
Hold
that for me?
page.
Oh! Hey!
Remember!
So have a look at this. These are the erectors which come up from the lower back, and you see how they all attach onto the rib cage. See how white they are as well. So not much blood flow. Very thick, strong tendons. So you see how they're not actually right next to the spine or the scapula. They're actually in the middle, right in the gut. So you've got to go down there and work them. So if that's you,
Pulling.
These ones here.
into extension. Yeah, exactly. No, they're not listening to us.
We can see the different lines. You can't hear me, but you can see.
Yeah, I like that one though, just because you can see how strandy those tendons are there. So if that's you, come in, we'll sort you out.
Done.